It wouldn't make sense now.
Okay, let's come. Yeah. Bakwethu njengoba ke safika sizile ngiyakhumbula the last time besizile sokhuluma noma nokho basixolisele abafo abakhona ngaphakathi bathi uma uselile and then angeke sikhona ukukhuluma ngiyabona ngiya-understanda ne-situation ukuthi uma sikabhamula kancane begodi angiboni bogodi ukuthi inkinga le ingacazululeka ingakhulumeka uma maselile mara nokho besithi sizela sizokuchecka ukuthi rehe la kwenzekalani mara ke okukhona nakho ke singenile sizokuchecka besisitshela ukuthi the matter was resolved but because of the power I don't know ukuthi uthembeleni thina si-identical force omberekwethu akusikuhlukanisa abantu mara nangabe uyifuna ekhoto kuhle ngoba nasi ayifuna ekhoto sinendlela enye sinama-represent wethu sinawo ama-attorneys wethu very strong azokhona ukumkhipha ngendlela e-right akaphume ngendlela efaneleko nokho thina asingithi umthetho uzokhona ukumkhipha ngamanye amagama okay siyathokoza sikambeni
Oh, yeah, we have two students. Asimazi umfazi lo. Asimazi umfazi lo team.
Ziyobhala nokufakela nobaba bafithi umfolo.
Yeah, asimazi. Lalela asimazi. Thosa usesinoyisa abanyana. Asimazi umfazi lo team. Asimazi wabona into oyichoka so. Oyisule phasi yaphi. Ah, siyusithukela ndini. Usithukela. Why is two?
No.
Why is two?
Utshwayela ukuthukana.
Awutshwayela ukuthukana. Uyendelela. Kusa nimkhamba ukuthukana. Uyendelela. Usithukela. Kusa nimkhiphi lo ndaba akazokhuluma manga. Khoma khuluma manga ngilomsila ukhuluma manga. Usithukela ndini. Ujabela ifade nesithukela right two esithuka right two. Right who has to kumfazi right who has to elesimazi thina mina ngikhuleki ngangimazi umfazi lo
atsho kwakhe
ukwakhe kuphi akusithi kwakhe la ngikwazi ukukhuluma abanyana ngoba sikhule naye so sikhule sazi yena vele simazi umfazi lo thina uqedile i-boyfriend asimazi lalela vele lethi kwalo yabona ngapha vele kwasela la right wenza so ujabela sithuke kusho ngoba yongena ubukhongayo ekhaya ugogo udele khulu umfazi lo uyadelela kusho uzosibetha mina ngiyangibethe imtshetshe ngithe ngicapha ubona uyadelela yazi mani ngabana usithuka nguwena akezwenzani mpilo asho deseshesile nesekhamba ugogo usayedwa indla negogo wasayedwa ngenabathukayo udelela khulu asimazi thina umfazi lo usaranyana mzakhe ngasimazi umfazi lo
batsho mithlibheke basibonile
izolo benathuka khulu busuka izolo kanti banithuka la indoda yakhe ledake wekole i-ole inthuka la iya emakhasi namini bashibankrela mkhonile kale sitshele ngiyena laba kusati bafunza abantu bajaasdele mina ngimsabi-ke kodwa-ke namhlala kwami njengathi mina ngiswala nja kwami
ngihambe se-police stage
wena siyakhuza
ngigugeni nje ngihambe se-police stage
uclever berry
ngiguge nje se-police stage
shela uclever berry
nawe ungangitshela ngomhleva ngiguga nje ngithwala nje se-police stage
uthola ngibani thina sinasifala abantu thina
ya ngithwala nje ungise-police stage
siyakutshela
manje-ke phume ebantwini bami
akusibo abantu baphuma
phume ebantwini bami
bakhuye wakhele kwa ekheni ngipeyilula kakakabona mupeyilolo la dotshare wena olola
nawe phume ebantwini bami
upeyidi mwasikange mupeyidi wena usuka usuka leo uzokumela izinto zabantu wena
ngitsotsi wena mina ngitshadile emzini lo ngitshela butsotsi wena angitshela utsotsi wena khamba vuza indoda ami emathuneni biyeza
umama utsotsi
yeyi khamba vuza indoda ami emathuneni ngitshela ukuthi ngitsotsi
the right owner
hayi wena ngiyise mani
this place is not
nomsebenzi nabo
even if she's right she knows very well so we going to bring
ningamphenduli lona
you understand she's a
don't to say to this
so
guy
then I'm bringing the rightful
don't to say this guy
understand so
don't to say this guy yes
don't you say to this guy it's fine it's fine
ngithi yami nawe yophela khodo
hayi mina
ngikwazi khodo right
mina ngikwazi
yeah sekhodo
mina awukangileki
wenifake khodo
khamba usifake
mina ya
khamba usifake
so phela khona ngibana ukowini ubani mina nawe
qale so khipha kamnandi
yowini bani mina nawe nabantwana nalo nalawo amadeda imaraha atekezilako
awunaphepha
anginamsebenzi ngithi mina
mara ngawuthola ngini mara nangusilandela ngapha
ngithathile
thina la sizo
lo muntu lontshalale kwakhe le ngitshadile lontshalale kwakhe le ngitshadile mina wow ngakhetha lo wena ngikhipha kona ungakhethwa
ngiyambiza njengomama
ngizomthoza masimba
uqala ufake indoda ufake indoda
ngiyafana ngabatshela
akufuna nalo ufuna mina lo afuni wena afuni mina
okuthoma indoda lezwa izwa amakhazi indoda
wow wena ufako yathi ngakho umfazi okufaka itopstone
uzongifakela iTombstone
yo ngoba unemali athi wena imali yokutsotsi
bakubukela qala if
ukhamba ungena emzini abantu ethi bekubani bethela kona lo
nje bayajiva nabo bayathi asibuye Middleburg qala indoda okhayika ifakele neTombstone sorry my friend the rightful owner will come here whatever you are paying this I think this is the last time we will come we will remove her this for this place she doesn't own anything here
Mohammed
yes I'm telling you don't you say it's fine she doesn't own anything she doesn't have a paper you understand you don't know anything you are the tenant so you have to stand by what you got because you build a house we don't want to involve you guys ne? Because you will continue to operate as usual
ngibaba ukuthi kusasa uzokhuluma na aso
yazi sokhuluma naye ngani sizomkhipha ngendlela right bengafuni kuyenza so mara ke ithi ngitshela lo mama lo you present bakhona abayenze nje uzopresent amaphepha wakhe a right atsho ukuthi mama yini ukuphi ekukhumisa ukuthi ke kwakho uyobhala ku presenter that one so laba baphethe amaphepha yonke into yala ibiza ngalo mama you understand so akana title deed that person baqala sikuhlala capacity akakhamba ukufakela ubaba kwakhe ilitshe wathi uzoyifakela what this month bokuhlanganisa ukufakela ubaba kwakhe ilitshe bamtshela ukuthi okay from now on let's at least nalapha babe neshare nyana abayithola because my own abantu bamkhipha so yena shitha akafuna ubanikeza nesente akafuna nokuthi bathole next endaweni engabizi yena ama services abhadela ngibo la yena yikho noyibhadelayo the worst part njena kafika kuphela ukuthi mina angiyakhipha usimple bese ngafuni thina impilo kwethu hlanganisa abantu ukuthi at least babe ne peace mara if she doesn't want a peace ofuna ukuye court it's fine she can go nathi sizokhona ukhelebha lo ngama attorneys wethu
ngiba ukuthi ngikhulume naye nami kusasa asopa ngoba nje udakile
yabo imali le kumele ufakele ubaba kwakhe iTombstone yena imali le ubaba kwakhe nje mfo usemakhazeni usesakhe ulizeni ukuthi umfowethu akana Tombstone at least a Tombstone